Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Clip with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in New Tampa, Florida. We're here for a customer that called for a pool area cleaning. We're gonna be doing a cage. They just moved here from Kansas and want to get it cleaned up. And it's crazy because this customer here, the reason they called me out because they was gonna do it themselves, but then they searched on Google to find out how to do a pool cage, and they looked at my video. And they called me out to do it, you know what I'm saying? So they saw I was right here in Tampa, so they gave me the call, and I got the lead, so we're gonna knock it out today. I appreciate y'all for checking out the channel, and make sure y'all subscribe and hit the like button for me. We're gonna knock it out. You know what I'm saying? Be out of here probably an hour and a half. He does have a lot of like debris on top of the screen, which I'm probably gonna go ahead and knock those off first before I start. I'm gonna go show you guys what we got going on. So like I said, this house probably was vacant for a while, so the pool is pretty green, so we ain't got to worry about keeping that clean. But it got the debris up there. All my concern is these vines, man. I know how they get on stucco houses or vinyl. They stick on there like crazy. So they do have like a little shingle roof part right here. I'm gonna get up there and see if I can use my brush to get them off. Well, that's my main concern. The rest is just like dead leaves and stuff like that. Like this stuff here. I'll be able to knock that out, blow that off right here. I'm probably gonna use my white tip, or maybe my soft wash tip. I wanna use the long gun so I can get closer to it, knock them off the screen. My short gun is mostly used for like house washing and stuff like that. So yeah, it's covered over here. Of course the cage is dirty. Got some green on it. Got trees right over the top of us, so you know how that goes. The deck, we're gonna be doing a deck also. The deck is pretty dirty, but today we're doing one job, man. One job only. We're gonna enjoy the weekend. Yes, sir. This cage here, we're gonna downstream it today. I've been downstreaming a lot lately, man, last 2 weeks. Maybe I'm back to being downstreaming, man. Yeah, we're gonna downstream it though. Should be good enough. We don't need to go too hot on that. That ain't gonna take no 3 or 4%. Downstream mix. All right, man, let's get it. So we got most of pretty much I would say 90% of the debris on top of the cage. I still got to go up there to get this part, this area, and also these vines off the top on this side, but pretty much the rest is gone. I'm gonna downstream the inside of the cage right now. I already did the outside. That should soften up some of that heavy algae over there in the back. All right, let's go. Giving a good rinse on the outside right now. Soft washing with I'm rinsing with my soap tip actually on my J-rod. This cage is oxidized. I don't know if you guys can tell. That's not algae, that's oxidation, so that's not gonna come off. So, but you wanna put no high pressure on it to make it worse. So this is the stubborn part of the screen. So I'm using my soft wash shooter tip. Has a little bit more precision to knock those things that's latched onto the screen off. I'm still running through my downstream injector. I just got it on water so I can rinse it out. So I'm getting, you know, low pressure coming through here, so I don't have to worry about, you know what I'm saying, damaging the screen. I'm knocking out the heavy stuff. If something's left over, which shouldn't be much, I might just treat it again so it can get softer. But it seems like it's coming up pretty good. This was the bad part because it's right underneath the tree. Yes, sir, getting it done, man. Appreciate y'all checking the videos out, man. I'm very, very thankful for the support. Channel is going pretty good. I got a lot of content coming for you guys, man. I got a lot of work coming up. So y'all stay tuned, man. right, man. Progress is all done. Took me a little while, man. I've been trying to do the best job that I can with these leaves and bad spots, man. I can't leave it like that. I did the best I could on it. And you know, everything is cleaned up. The deck is cleaned up. Customer's gonna be happy with it. Time to pack it up. Done for the day, man. I over budgeted 1 hour extra on this job. It's all good though. Sometimes it be like that. All right, guys. Well, I thought I was gonna be leaving, going home for the day. As I'm leaving the last job, I got another call for a cleaning 7 minutes away. So, you know, they want to do it like next week, but I told them, hey, I'm in the area already. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. It's a driveway cleaning, nothing spectacular, but you know, it's dirty, got algae on it. Got some oil stains, which don't come up with pressure washing. You know, the sidewalks are all dirty. We're gonna be doing the street curbs also for them, make that look good, since all the street curbs are dirty. Should be out of here quickly. All set. She's all cleaned up. Drying up nicely over here on this side. Got the walkway done. Move this hose out the way. Walkway's looking good. Woo! Done today, guys. I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. Oh, by the way, before I end this video, so you guys saw me, I was using the shooter tip to get the debris off. If you're not sure what you're doing, don't do that. You know, if you're, you know what I'm saying, if the screen got holes and stuff, be careful. You might rip the screen more. So be careful if you're gonna be doing that. But with that said, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.